Okay, here's why puppy howls are hilariously terrible. Howling is actually learned behavior. Puppies watch adult dogs and try to copy them, but their vocal cords aren't fully developed yet. So instead of a majestic wolf howl, you get weird, squeaky, gargling noises. But here's the cool part. Howling is in their DNA. It's an instinct from their wolf ancestors used to communicate across miles. Even dogs who've never heard a howl will try it eventually. Some breeds are natural howlers. Huskies, beagles, basset hounds. Others, like bulldogs, they try so hard but just sound like broken car horns. The funniest thing? Dogs often howl at sirens because the frequency sounds like another dog calling them. They're literally trying to answer the ambulance. Tag someone whose dog has the most ridiculous howl. Follow for daily dog content.